This year's virtual flag raising ceremony ends vigorously and prosperous as Governor Bambi Emano made remarkable initiatives that will never be forgotten by many. On Monday, December 27, 2021, the provincial government of Misamis Oriental through the Provincial Engineering Office, headed by Engineer Prisco Valmoria, spearheaded the turnover of check amounting to 1 million pesos. This is to address the request made by Hingog City Tennis Club President Mr. Edgardo Balsamo for the repair and improvement of their tennis court, to which Governor Bambi Emano without hesitation responded to. Enthusiastically, Hingog City Mayor Eric Canyosa expressed his heartfelt gratitude to Governor Bambi Emano for his generosity and commitment to the development of the sports sector in their locality. Present in the said turnover were Governor Bambi Emano, Hingog City Mayor Eric Canyosa, SK Federated President Board Member Kerwin Jessel de Villa, and the PEO staff.
As the Mayor of Hingog City, kami mapasalamatan kayo kang Governor Bambi Emano, of course, uban po sa Provincial Government of Misamis Oriental sa support sa Hingog Tennis Club. Nihatagid sila og 1 million pesos for the rehabilitation sa atong tennis court.
Additionally, the wait is over for the newly promoted 52 capital employees from the different offices of the provincial government of Misamis Oriental, as their job appointments were duly confirmed right after the 89th virtual flag raising ceremony. Mr. Felix Berto Capirig, 63 years old from the Assistant Provincial Administrator's Office, extended his gratitude to Governor Bambi Emano for the opportunity given to him as a regular employee, specifically as a driver of the APA office. In his message, he said,
Ako nagpasalamat at ako matagaan kung ako na regular ko sa aking trabaho.
Salamat din mo kang Gob sa
Pasalamat ko kang Gob sa tanan nga ako nabilasa ako mga department head sa APA. Nagpasalamat ko ako nga inani ko kayo sa akong pagtrabaho.
Mapasalamaton kay ko sa atong halandong gobernador tungod kay kining gitabangan gid ko niya nga ma-promote sa akong pagpanarbaho nga kuan kining kanang makalingkawas gid sa kalisod ba. Dako gid kay nga katabang sa kuha musa kinasingkasing gid ko nga nagpasalamat sa atong halangdon nga gobernador.
Still on this day, the Misamis Oriental Police Provincial Office or MORPPO hosted the annual Paskuhan sa Campo or the MORPPO 2021 Christmas celebration at their provincial headquarters in the municipality of Villanueva. Governor Bambi Emano personally celebrated with the police personnel and gave his message of gratitude for the 9 years of service and partnership with the police force. Provincial Director Police Colonel Reniel Galones welcomed Governor Bambi Emano to the venue and handed him a token of appreciation. MORPPO has always been Governor Bambi Emano's great support system and exhibitors in ensuring that peace and order in the province are always achieved.
To have been given a provincial director who actually works for the people, a provincial director who does not uplift himself but rather try to help us maintain peace and order and every event.
Jane Salimbao, PIO.
The year-end Media Connectivity Fellowship was immensely meaningful as members of the press from the whole province collated into one fruitful event. On Tuesday, a celebration of camaraderie was led by Governor Bambi Emano for the members of the media from the entire province. Organized by the Provincial Information Office, the Media Connectivity Fellowship 2021 was successfully held in Harbor Lights, Gusa, Cagayan de Oro City. Various media entities and personalities, both from the city and the province, were present to grace the event, as Governor Bambi Emano and board member Eric Ku also joined the celebration. With this event, our friends from the media will surely be able to feel their importance in our society, as they also play a big role in helping disseminate vital development stories of the province. Additionally, on Tuesday, a spay and neuter activity for cats and dogs was held in the municipality of Tagolwan, an initiative of the Municipal Agriculture Office and Provincial Veterinary Office. A total of 60 cats and dogs were accommodated in the said activity. The aim of this event is to prevent any unwanted population growth of domesticated cats and dogs, which will lead to an increase in number of rabid cats and dogs, which is also the reason for the increase in rabies cases in the province. Danny Vertidazo of Shama Jr., PIO.
Recognizing the importance of health for all Misamis nuns, the provincial government continues to provide support for our partners in the implementation of health programs. On this day, to compensate for their time and effort in delivering public service in their communities as government partners to improve the nutrition situation among the vulnerable, 387 barangay nutrition scholars from the eastern part of Misamis Oriental received their fourth quarter honorarium from the provincial government through the Provincial Health Office Nutrition Division. Each BNS received 3,000 pesos for a total of 1,161,000 pesos. On behalf of Governor Bambi Emano, Vice Governor Jigjog Pilaes, and Board Member Wayne Militante graced the event. This initiative is in response to Governor Bambi Emano's mandate to give what is due to our barangay-based nutrition workers for giving their utmost best in the implementation of nutritional programs around the province. In another story, the Human Resource Management Office, headed by Ms. Jessica B. Galindo, distributed Planner 2022 to all the members of Misamis Oriental Department Heads Association or MODHA and to the designated administrative officers as a way of thanking them for supporting the HR programs and activities. The planner has a message from Governor Bambi Emano as well as the Directory of MODHA and AOs. Raymark Simania, PIO.
The end of 2021 meant another unfolded new chapter, bringing excitement for all Misamisnans this 2022 as Governor Bambi Emano continually leads the province enthusiastically.
Thursday, December 30, 2021 has been a mark of heroic deeds as the provincial government of Misamis Oriental joined with the whole nation in commemorating the 125th Rizal Day with the theme Rizal para sa agham katotohanan at buhay. The Office of the Misamis Oriental Telephone System or Miss Ortel hosted and facilitated the said event that happened at the provincial capital park, of which in adherence to safety health protocols, a simultaneous Facebook live streaming happened for the flag raising and wreath-laying ceremony. On the other hand, last week's finale has been thrilled with great news coming from the approval of Ordinance Number 1502-2021 or coded as Pasalamat ni Bambi Project to be fully implemented this year 2022. This PHO Nutrition Division's project has been authorized by the Chairwoman of Committee on Health and Sanitation, Board Member Nancy Madhos. Stipulated in the ordinance is the giving of cash incentives to all barangay nutrition scholars or BNS whose contract of service will end upon reaching the age of 60 years old and who serve for at least 10 consecutive years and above. Governor Bambi Emano duly signed the mentioned ordinance, for since then he honors the tireless service of all BNS who work as frontliners for the implementation of proper nutrition to be linked to all communities all around the province. Moreover, Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office successfully turned over 147,000 pesos worth of financial assistance to 147 beneficiaries to affected individuals at Barangay Esperanza in the municipality of Kinugitan due to COVID-19. A certain Miss Hanani Carmona expressed her insurmountable joy, especially to Governor Bambi Emano for an unending support and care they've been receiving through the years.
Salamat kaayo. Ako si Hanani Carmona, karong pagid ko nakadawat sa assistance ni Gob Emano Bambi. Salamat kaayo kaya ko kani ikatabang sa among panghanda karong sa gabi. Bisan na lang sa mga minagmay, pero at least ako kayo ikatabang ako. Daghang salamat ko Bambi sa inyong assistance para namin tanan.
Additionally, with the continued efforts of the Provincial Management Information System Office or PMIS in providing internet connectivity in the respective offices of the provincial capital, 2 personnel from the said office installed a wireless internet connection at Board Member Alan Mandukita's office located at the Old Provincial Engineer's Office. This activity is in response to the request for an internet connection which is essential for their office's daily activities, especially during virtual meetings and conferences. Regina Mora Tunel Maygay, PIO.
Governor Bambi Emano remains focused, effective, and accountable as he takes responsibility to both his administration and people.
The Provincial Governor's Extension Office continued extending basic services to the Misamisnans last December 27 to 31, of which the PGEO Health Office headed by Dr. Maria Divina Tagarda Casino catered 313 clients. Although bad weather occurred in the said week, People couldn't miss the opportunity to have their health checked and received medicines for free. Also, Miss Jeanette Tagulimot couldn't be more grateful for the opportunity as her 2 sons had their circumcision for free conducted by the health office. Thanks to Governor Bambi Emano's Serbisyong Panglawas program, a total of 7 boys had their circumcision. In social services, Attorney Nadia Emano Elibe turned over 2 wheelchairs to 2 beneficiaries. Ms. Shalimar Tagolimot received 1 wheelchair for her brother Shelo Pelayo, a resident from Zone 4 Baluarte, Taguluan, and Attorney Nadia personally turned over 1 wheelchair to Ms. Lydia Bores of Zone 2 Poblacion, Taguluan. Over the past week, the Provincial Governor's Extension Office was overwhelmed with over 500 people asking for financial and food assistance. These people claim to be victims of the Super Typhoon Odette last December 16. The PGEO, with its overseer, Attorney Nadia Emano Elibe, never hesitated to give aid to the people.
Daghan kaayong salamat sa atong Gobernador Bambi Emano ug kang Attorney Nadia Emano sa inyong pagsuporta kanamo nga sa inyong Operation Tuli nga nakapatuli akong duha ka anak. Daghan kaayong salamat.
In another story, December 27, 2021, Monday, the Capital Clean and Green Office received their requested cleaning equipment to maintain cleanliness in the capital. Most importantly, on December 30, 2021, the said office helped in cleaning the grounds in honor to the 125th Rizal Day, after which the kiosk is kept clean to ensure safety and wellness of everybody, stirred from the notion, cleanliness is next to godliness. Progressively, the Department of Social Welfare and Development Office, DSWD Region 10, in partnership with the Provincial Social Welfare and Development Office, PSWD Miss Or, conducted the distribution of financial assistance to individuals in crisis situation, a program under DSWD that cater individuals who are greatly affected by the COVID-19 pandemic through giving an amount of 3,000 each worth of financial assistance beneficiaries in various municipalities in the province. Collectively, the following municipalities with number of beneficiaries are as follows: Laguindingan and Alubihid with 445 beneficiaries, Initaw, Libertad and Gitagum with 520, Lugait 83, Mantikao 216, Naawan 170, and Upol 493. Simultaneously, Sangguniang Panlalawigan Board members with the LGU officials of each mentioned municipalities graced the momentous distribution that has brought so much joy to all the recipients. In another event, a turnover of 500 food packs to families affected by Typhoon Odette transpired in various municipalities in the province, namely Siargao with 30 food packs, Taguluan with 10 sacks of rice, and Magsaysay with 45 food packs.
Salamat sa DSWD o sa PSW o salamat kay tanan Gov sa imong pagpili sa amuha. Salamat sa pagtabang. Gov Bambi Emano, salamat kayo.
Meaningfully, the provincial ECCD had its distribution of Christmas packs and honorarium to child development workers in the towns of Lugait, Mantikao, Naawan, Initaw, Libertad, Gitagum and Laguindingan, Talisayan, Balingwan, Kinugitan, Sugbong-Kugon, Binuangan, Salay, Lagunglong and Balingasag, Misamis Oriental on December 23, 27, and 28, 2021 in respective venues during the celebration of the Mobile Annual Child Development Workers Convention. In total, there were 336 CDWs from stranded towns who have received their 50% or 2,500 peso honorarium and Christmas package, where every CMSWDO and ECCD focal person also received cash incentive, plaque of appreciation, and personalized planner from Governor Bambi Emano. This is one of Governor Bambi Emano's ways to thank CDWs, CMSWDOs, and ECCD focal persons as his collaborators in implementing and improving early education in Misamis Oriental Province. The candidates of Miss Cuyamis 2022 expressed their different standpoints as the panel of judges asked questions ranging from social issues to the more familiar tourism talking points. With poise, composure, and styling on point, the closed-door panel interview ended last December 26, 2021. While physical audience is by invites only, virtual audience is a sure front seat with live streaming link posted paired with audience fully charged, as witnessed last December 28, 2021 as the Cuyamis goddesses were donned in Melvin La Chica swimwears at the Amaya View. With admirable ease of both grace and form, Miss Hasaan Jemima R. Tempra came definitely ready as she clinched the Best in Swimsuit title in today's competition. Queen Exclamador, PIO.